Yo, what's good, family? Welcome to the channel. So in this video we're diving deep into one of the hottest tracks dominating the streets right now. Here I'm talking about Wa Inama by Karishma. This song is not just trending, it's making history, sitting on over 1.8 million views in just 3 weeks. That's insane, right? Let's talk about why Wa Inama, it's the anthem everyone is vibing to right now. For those who might not know, Karishma is one of the most powerful female voices coming out of Limpopo. She's been consistently giving us hit after hit, and what makes her stand out is her raw energy, unique voice, and that unapologetic Limpopo flavor that she brings into every track. She doesn't just sing, she commands attention, and Wa Inama is the perfect example for her artistry in full force. So let's talk about Wa Inama. From the very first beat, you know you are in for something special. The production is clean, catchy, and instantly makes you want to move. That signature amapiano licompo groove mixed with her vocals creates a sound that is both familiar and fresh. The chorus, it's very addictive. The verses, they're powerful. And her delivery, pure confidence. You can literally feel the emotion in her voice. She's not just singing, she's telling a story, commanding the dance floor and pulling everyone in with her vibe. And here's the thing, Wa Inama isn't just a song, it's an experience. It's the kind of track you hear once and suddenly you find yourself humming it all day. It's a soundtrack that you use to tell your friend or your friends about, hey guys, nake khatetsi ka o reka byala rekang nna ke tlo reka beke e tao hai a re shintshane a re shintshene magia wena reka namuhla wena reka namhlanje nna ke tlo reka beke e tao a re shintshene magia. Why u inama? Hey, why u inama when it's time for you to buy? Why u inama o inamelang? So this song, it's a soundtrack to, just to tell your friends about, hey, I think now it's your turn to also buy nyana, bo. Let's help one another, though. You can't always expect me to buy booze. You get me? As we all know, the numbers don't lie. Over 1.8 million views in 3 weeks is no small achievement. That's not just Limpopo supporting, that's South Africa and the world vibing with Karishma. The comment section is full of love, fans praising her authenticity, her voice, and her ability to stay true to her roots while making music that's globally appealing. On the streets, DJs are spinning it back to back. At events, it's become one of the most requested songs. And online, people are making challenges, dance clips, and covers, spreading the Wa Inama fever everywhere. Wa Inama, Wa Etsela, Arishintshene magia. Karishma is not just another artist dropping music. She's building a legacy. She's representing Limpopo with pride. She's putting female artists on the map in a genre that's often dominated by men. And she's proving that authenticity wins. Her consistency is crazy. Every release feels bigger than the last. And what I personally admire is how she balances raw street energy with commercial appeal. Wa Inama is a perfect showcase of that balance. So to wrap it up, Karishma has done it again. Wa Inama is not just a song, it's a movement, sitting on 1.8 million views in 3 weeks. This is proof that when talent, hard work, and authenticity meet, success is inevitable. If you haven't streamed Wa Inama yet, do yourself a favor and go check it out right after this video. Trust me, it's worth every second. And of course, let's keep supporting our homegrown talent. Drop a comment below with your favorite Karishma song and let's celebrate this queen together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the hottest music making waves right now. It's your boy, Mr. Anonymous for now, signing out.